Hi everyone, this C program is an expense logger and analyzer that allows users to manage their daily expenses using simple menu-driven interface. It lets users add new expense entries, calculate total expenses for a specific date, edit expense amount, generate category-based reports. All data is stored in a plain text file, expenses text, and the program uses only basic C features such as variables, file handling, and simple arrays, perfect for beginners practicing structured programming. So this this are standard header files. Studio H is for input output function like printf, scanf, fopen, and others. So std lib H is used for general utilities like exit or memory function. String H allows string operation like strcmp and strcpy. And here is sets the maximum max line, sets the maximum number of characteristics per line used when reading lines. And file name, the name of the file where expenses are stored. So next is the void add expenses printf a add to new expenses. So start by showing the label of this function matching your sample output. And this one declares variables for the date, year, month, and day, category name up to 15 characters, and the amount. So this tree printf and tree scanf takes user input for date, category, and amount. So in this part, opens expenses text in app mode A, which adds new lines at the end. This one, return. If the file couldn't be opened, print an error and return. So this one writes the input values to the file in fixed format. If printf close fp, printf record append closes the file and confirms the user entry was added. So next is the void daily total, calculate total expenses for a specific date. So target date, target date you want to search for. And the total is accumulates the amount spent on that day. So printf and scanf get the date from the user, and the file fp open to return. Open the file for reading R and exit if it doesn't exist. While fscanf fp 1015f date category amount if strcmp date target date is equals to 0, total amount here is loop through each line of the file. If the date matches the user's input, add the amount to the total. So fclose, after processing, close the file and display the result. So next is edit amount of the specific expenses. So from void to long, declares variables a pause tracker to remember the position in the file. And printf is ask the user what date and category they want to edit. So again, the file opens the file read write mode R, which allows modifying content. And this part, if case character line max line to amount here reads each line and parses it using scanf. From if loop to here, when a match is found, prompt the new amount. Use if seek to go back to the beginning of that line, then overwrite it. If tell stores the current position of the next file. Fclose printf record not found. If now matching record is found, notify the user. So next is the C, category report. Generate total amount per category. So void to int initialize arrays to store up to 50 unique categories and their totals. And F to return opens the file for reading, while 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 loop to fclose fp checks if the category has been seen before. If yes, add to the existing total. If not, add to the new category list. So fp to fclose here writes the category to category report text. So printf tells the user where the report was saved. So here, the last part, the menu user interface, here from int main to scanf choice, shows the user menu and waits for input. Scanf %C reads the character input, and switch choice handles the selected action case insensitive, ends the program when the closest choice Q or small letter Q. So in order to see our output, we must run our program. So A, add 2025 05 12. Category food, amount is 4,000, and we will see the date 2025 5 5 2025 12. So 500. So edit amount, date 2025, category food, new amount is 500. So C. And category report generated category report file text. So and if we press Q, the program will stop running. So if you will check our code, there's no error, and I hope you learn a lot from this, and that's all.